Daesh is an emerging threat, not only for Afghanistan, but for the whole region. Do you think that Pakistan and Afghanistan should collaborate with each other to deal with this menace?
Absolutely. Daesh is a regional sort of a threat to the entire region. It's a threat beyond region. Daesh is in Afghanistan primarily defeated by the revolts of the people. The government, in fact, provided support to it, but it was actually the people who stood up against. Wherever it emerged, people stood up and eliminated them and are eliminating them as we speak. The prime example was my home province, Nangarhar, Jalalabad, in the Shinwar area. It was the people of Shinwar actually who primarily stood up against them and pushed them back and liberated the districts that they had captured from them. The Daesh is on the retreat. So I'm pretty confident that Daesh will not hold space in our country. With Daesh, there will be no accommodation whatsoever. Daesh, wherever it emerges, the best response to them is to eliminate them. We cannot allow that type of mentality to take roots in Afghanistan. Like I said, there are still some remnants of the Daesh in particular needs of part of Afghanistan, but significantly diminished and will be, I'm pretty confident, completely destroyed and eroded. And that's for the best of both Afghanistan and Pakistan. So in fact, because the Daesh, their claim is not just sort of country specific. They have a wider threat, and therefore it has to be taken seriously.